Hey guys, if you're like me and you have been doing your elf on the shelf for, I don't know, 7 years, you run out of ideas. And so I picked this up a couple of years ago. We've had it for 2 years, and because I was starting to run out of ideas. So this helped me to create some additional scenes and things with our elf without having to be the imaginative person that I am, because I'm not very imaginative. I don't have imagination. Anyway, this actually has a book in the front, okay? And in the book, it actually tells you what you can do with your elf. So you can see that they've got a hook. It's got different scenes for you to be able to go ahead and follow. I mean, this eliminates the thought of what are you going to do. Simply open your book and go, oh, I'm going to do this one right here. And you can do this one if you happen to have that kind of washer. Nope, instead I'm going to do this one here. This is the one I'm going to do. So this is fantastic if you are running out of ideas. I mean, it gives you lots of ideas for everything that they have in the box. Now, not only is it going to give you ideas, but it's going to give you the tools that you need. Right? Okay, so this has all of the tools. So in this box, it's going to have a chair that you can go ahead and actually have your elf sitting in and hanging from wherever you want to. It's going to have the propelling hook here. Now, I've added all these strings on there because it does come with a rope, a big spool of string. So I've added these strings as I've used them over the last couple of years. It comes with a big chair for him to sit on. This actually attaches around his belly so that he can actually be standing against a wall or a piece of glass or whatever it may be as he's hanging from the window. He's got his hook that he can hang off of. There's this nice little cube that says lots of little different things on it about surprise, and Santa says hi, and I love my family, and you found me, and whatever. And then you've also got the extra hooks here, which if he was propelling off of one area, I always hate having to take these out because they are so hard to take out. Okay, there. So if he is propelling, let's say, from one area to the next, and you wanted these to hang, you could actually go ahead and put it in like that, and then you can actually put that on your window, and it would hang on the window, just like so. So, two different uses with these cards. Number one, you can go ahead and hang them like so, or you can use this nice little kickstand here that actually fits down at the bottom. The other thing that's really good is because you see how shiny that is, you can actually put a dry eraser on the back side, a dry erase marker. Let me show that to you. You can actually use a dry erase marker and say, hi, and then you can actually erase it once you're done. So, very, very cool that you can actually go ahead and do that with the back side of these cards as well. So lots of functions, lots of uses. And if you don't have a creative mind or you're just running out of ideas, highly recommend getting this little set, which provides you with everything that you need to be able to set up your sceneries as well as follow the book for different ways to be able to use all of the different tools that they give you. So, fantastic. Highly recommend it. Definitely must have if you are running out of different ideas for your elf.